Good evening, class 11 students. Today we will read the chapter sets. Introduction. The theory of set was developed by a German mathematician, George Cantor. He first encountered sets while working on problems on trigonometric series. This concept of set serves as a fundamental part of the present day mathematics, and sets are used to define the concepts of relations and functions, geometry, sequences, probability, etc. In which way we come across the term sets in everyday life? In everyday life, we come across sets in saying that a crowd of people, a cricket team, a pack of cats, rivers of India. Okay. But in mathematics, mathematically, where we come across the term sets, we come across the term sets mathematically while we are saying collections of points. Suppose we are saying collection of points. Collection of natural numbers. Collection of prime numbers. Vowels in English alphabet. All these case, we found one thing, that the each of the above example is a well-defined collection of objects. So what is well-defined collection of objects? Well-defined collection of objects means we can say that whether a given particular object belongs to the given collection or not. That is, in this case, in this sense, we understand the term well-defined objects. Now we go through details about the sets, its notation, its representation mathematically. You have idea from class 10 some of the number systems. Suppose I'll say n. You know, n is nothing but the set of natural numbers. If I'll say z, what is z? Z is the set of all integers. If I say z plus, then what is z plus? Z plus is the set of positive integers Similarly, you know Q is a set of rational numbers. R, what is R? Set of real numbers.
Continue.
In all these number systems you are already acquainted from class 10. Now, if I say if I want to define what is well defined term, the term well defined means already we discussed, but let us discuss an example where the set what will define objects are not well defined. Not well defined means if I will say not well defined. If I will say the set of all tall, the set of all tall people, can you find elements of the set? Find the it vary from person to for one person, another, another from person to person. This may vary. Means we cannot find the objects or elements of the set. Similarly, if I all books, the set of all good books. Good book, you can say book is good. Not define the elements. In this case, the elements of the set, we cannot find the elements or objects. There, the sets are not defined. Similarly, you can say the set of all clear. So here, the objects are not means cannot find objects. It's I set. So the beauty, this all objective and universal upon definition.